In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement banner in Google Sites. An announcement banner is a simple, eye-catching way to share timely information like a schedule change, a new feature, or a quick alert right where visitors will see it. The goal is to keep it clear, short, and visually distinct so your message stands out without distracting from the rest of your page. Start by opening your Google site. Once your site is up, head to the specific page where you want the banner to appear. Many people place announcements on the homepage for maximum visibility, but you can add them to a specific section or landing page if the message is targeted to a particular audience. Keep in mind how your visitors navigate your site and choose a location that makes sense for them. When you're on the page, look for Insert, then choose either text box or image. Text box is perfect for quick, high contrast messages that you can update frequently, while image works well if you've designed a branded banner graphic elsewhere and want a polished, consistent look. Either option can serve as your banner. It just depends on whether you want speed and flexibility or a custom design. If you're typing your announcement, keep the copy brief and direct. 1 or 2 sentences is usually enough. Use a clear headline, such as important update or new hours, followed by a short explanation. Make it easy to scan by keeping punctuation clean and avoiding dense paragraphs. For visibility, pick a font size that's larger than your body text and choose colors with strong contrast so the message is readable on any screen. Leave comfortable spacing around the text so it doesn't feel cramped. If you're adding an image, choose a wide, lightweight file that spans the content area without slowing down the page. Make sure the text in your image is legible on both desktop and mobile. High contrast and simple design are your friends here. Avoid tiny type or overly detailed backgrounds that can make the announcement hard to read. Place your text box or image near the top of the page so visitors encounter it immediately. Keep the layout clean and aligned with the rest of your site's style. A consistent look builds trust and ensures the banner feels intentional, not intrusive. That's all you need to add an announcement banner in Google Sites. Keep it simple, keep it visible, and update it as your message changes so your audience always sees the most important information first.